everybody. Welcome to my Canadian adventures. So, traveling through Canada, heading up to Alaska. So, this morning was pretty cool. I woke up inside my Jeep, looked outside. Everything surrounding me was cows. I was surrounded by cows. It was so cool. So, we're on a lake here. It's not a fishable lake. It's kind of a marshy, very shallow, so didn't get any fishing in. So we're gonna pull out of here. We're gonna head up it's about a 3.5 hour drive, so it's a distance. We're gonna do some laundry too on the way, and we're gonna head back to another lake, and I think there's a river back there, so hopefully we can get some fishing in. One thing about Canada, there's trash. You can throw out trash everywhere. You got these bins all over the place when you drive down the highway. That compared to the US. I'm back on pavement. Woo! So now we're gonna get out to get to our nearest town and do some laundry. All right, we did our shopping, we did our laundry, and we got beer. We're set. We're gonna be in the wilderness. I think we have another spot found that we can camp on a lake. I think I can do some fishing, and I think down the road there's a river. We'll see. Yeah, so this ride here to get to this side, it's like 3.5 hour ride. So I've been jamming out to some Papa Chubby. Any of you fans, anybody out there fan of Papa Chubby? I've seen him a bunch of times in concert. I think he's fantastic. This is definitely not too bad, but I think I want to do some more exploring. Totally blinded from all this dust. I can't see anything. Man, the back of my Jeep is going to be full of dust everywhere. So we got a pretty small stream here. I think I'm going to head back to that lake. Maybe just do a night or so there. Oh my God, what a beautiful morning this morning. Woke up in all fog. It was just beautiful. I had yesterday when I went to bed, I had extreme thunderstorms and it rained for like 5 hours straight. What are you gonna do? But it's beautiful now. I'm even thinking about getting my little pack raft out. Get down this lake here and do a little fishing. Oh my God. There's a little guy. What a cool day this has been. Got on the lake. I actually got my pack raft out. So I paddle around with that. Had my heavyweight rod though. Caught a bunch of pike minnows, not big. So I paddled that for a while, then I came back in, I got my lightweight rod, then I went back out again. Didn't bring the camera this time, it's just to relax and fish. We're not worried about filming it. And I got a ton of fish. I probably caught 40 of those fish. Maybe one about 12 inches was my biggest fish, but hey, I'm catching fish. I'm still having fun. So spend another day or so at this spot. I'm gonna get out again on the pack raft tomorrow. And then after that, there's another stream down the road from here called Willow River, which looks like an awesome river to fish. So I want to give that a shot before I get back on the highway and start going back up north. Yep, sun's going down. Time for bed. I don't think I'll see everybody in the morning. Yep, so we give it one more shot out here. We're set up for pike. Supposedly there's some pike in this lake. So I got the big streamer on. Let's see what happens. Well, we gave this guy a good try. Let's try something different. Yep, we're trying some of our big spinners, our big streamers. Nothing's working. I think we're gonna go with the lighter tippet. Put on a dry fly on it. See what happens. Yep, we got a little guy. Tiny guy. You got something? Same thing. Little guy's a hungry though. Whew, it's a hot one today. What a beautiful lake this is. No big fish in it though, but it's beautiful. I'm liking it. It's relaxing. All right, it's time to move. We've been here for a little bit too long probably. So it was great here. This is Saint Marie Lake here in BC. Hung out with the locals, got some good information. Now we're gonna head down the road here to Willow River. A short distance down, I think. So we're gonna give that a shot and then we're gonna head into Prince George. Hey, hey, hey. Hey there, hey there, hey there. Woo! All right, we had enough of this river. So as I'm fishing there, catching some fish, my battery died. What are you gonna do? But caught a bunch of whitefish. I don't know, but I put a streamer on. One nice fish came up for it, and that was it. And then I put the dry fly on, and I had a bunch of fish come up for it, but I didn't get one. But I got a lot to do today. I gotta get into town. I gotta buy some stuff, and then I gotta find another place to camp, hopefully in the area somebody told me. So let's get our ass moving. That is good. So, another beautiful morning here in beautiful British Columbia. So I got to this spot yesterday, and my plan was I drove down this Forest Service road. I probably drove like 75 miles down this road. And I came across this river further back there, but it wasn't a type of spot where you can really fly fish. It was very deep, but it was beautiful. I was hoping to come across little streams that I could fish. There was nothing, and there was no place to camp back there, the whole thing. So I found this spot here, did a little fishing yesterday, caught a couple garbage fish, no trout yet. So we're gonna give this a shot after I have my coffee. Well, I'm hoping I'm not gonna have a problem I had before where I have the highway. I'm not sure if I can get on the highway here. Let's hope. Holy crap, I made it on the highway. Woo! Now let's go shopping. Oh man, I'm in the wildfire section. This whole mountain here is on fire. Wow. That whole mountain was just barrels of smoke come off it. The whole thing. So that road I was just on, kind of turned on, that was where I was going to camp. Found that on Overlander. It looked like a great place on a lake with some cell phone signal there. I said, that's perfect. Got on the road there, big sign, closure, big fire trucks are heading down. Oh well. So it looks like I got about an hour drive more up the road here, and I may have another spot that's kind of on a lake with a cell signal. Time will tell. So we just found another place to camp, and I got no forest fires close by. Well, they are close by, they're not too far away, but they're around, but I'm not in danger. But here's my site. And I got a lake right there. So here in Canada, these campsites are everywhere. You got a fire pit, you got a nice table to sit at. It's awesome. Yep, looks like I got a leak in my tire. Maybe I got a nail or something, but I'm gonna take the tire off, see if I can find that, and plug it up. Seems like I got a small leak right there. Yeah, we got a big ass nail in there. Come on. It's not a nail. I don't know what it is. Ouch! Son of a bitch. So this thing must have been on a road standing up like that, because this end must have went in first and nothing was showing. It was all the way up to there. What a job to get that out. Got it out. It's an Allen key. I got this Red Collar Brewing Company. It's a double bock, dark lager, 7.7. They called it a strong beer. Canadians, I don't know. So we're gonna try this out. It's out of Kamloops, British Columbia. So, let's see. Oh, it is on the dark side. That's good. It's very dark, actually. Not too bad. Definitely tell it's not a really strong beer. It's kind of on the light side. It's got a good taste to it. It's dark though, so I still like it. Not one of my favorites, but not too bad. So anyway, we're going to end the video here. We fixed our spare. Took this damn Allen wrench that's somehow got in that tire. And we'll be close to 37 Cassia Stewart, or the Stewart Cassia Highway. We should be there in a couple days. That's when the scenery will get a lot better. We'll get it up in the mountains. And hopefully I can get a lot more trout fishing in up there. So heading up that little ways, probably about 2 hours up the road. I got wildfires too, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. So anyway, thanks for following this, my video here. And never stop listening to rock and roll. Never stop exploring. And we'll catch you next week.